Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Visa gift card on Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Clash Royale application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through with on-screen prompts to download and install. After downloading and installing successfully, it's going to take you right into the Clash Royale application itself, where you're going to have to pass through the first phase of your tournament. Once you're done with that first phase of your tournament, it's going to take you right into this fantastic home screen where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting gaming experience in Clash Royale. Now the Royale is quickly hop into today's tax, just how to use Visa gift card on Clash Royale. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have a couple icons representing diverse features. Now specifically check the bottom left corner of your screen, and the first icon you find is the shop icon where you have a chest of gold. So click on that and that's going to take you here. Now you have your offers, that's Royal Starter Pack. You have the market itself where you can get deals. You can get of course royal chests, and you can buy cosmetics, you can buy emotes, you can buy gems, and you can buy gold. You can even boost your account. So let's say I want to buy gems and there's 14,169,000 naira. So I can just go and click on that. So I click on what I want to buy and it's going to take me here. This mountain of gems costing 169,000 naira. It's something I really can't afford. So here where you have this add credit or debit card, go ahead and click on, oh my god, where's my mountain of gems? How do you just go on like that? So click on that and click on add credit or debit card, and it's going to take you right into this window. Now this window is very sensitive because they don't want to display your card number to the world. So here you have your card number communication box. So go ahead and add your Visa card number, your Visa gift card, or your Visa gift card number. Add your Visa gift card number, and the next step is to add your CVV or your security code or just whatever details that you need to add concerning your card. So just follow through the steps. Add the Visa gift card number. Follow through the next step to add other details relating to your gift card. All right, your Visa gift card. Once you're done, then that's gonna be it. Your Visa gift card balance is going to be deducted to pay for this mountain of gems. Just ensure that you have up to this amount in your Visa gift card to make payment. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.